Hi, I'm Jackie. There's a lot of things that happen in the bathroom that we don't like to talk about. Things that should remain out of sight, out of mind, and out of smell, if you know what I mean. However, there is one habit we would like to discuss today that immediately needs to be plunged from your bathroom routine.
The toilet you're sitting on while you're watching this video, yes, we know what you're doing right now, is connected to the pipes that transport your waste to a septic system or to a wastewater treatment facility. When you flush items down the toilet that you shouldn't, blockages can form in the pipes, which can cause a flood of sewage to back up into your home or business. This is dangerous for your health and can be costly to repair.
Flushing these items down your toilet takes up more space in your septic tank and leads to more frequent pumping. They also cause problems for your service provider and our hard-on equipment at the sewage treatment plant.
Right now, the most commonly flushed items are wipes. There's no federal standard stopping companies from labeling these wipes as flushable, even when they aren't. Flushing these can cost you dearly. So just because they say they're flushable doesn't mean that they are.
If you think about it, when you're cleaning, you don't use toilet paper. That's because toilet paper has been specifically designed to break down quickly in water, whereas these hardier products have not been. Therefore, they belong in the garbage can and should not be flushed down your toilet.
To all new parents out there, diapers and baby wipes should never be flushed.
Ladies, we need to talk. Feminine products should not be flushed down the toilet. Tampons, pads, applicators, and liners, throw them in the trash.
Gentlemen, you wouldn't flush a car tire down the toilet, so why would you flush any other kind of rubber?
Other commonly flushed products that should be directed elsewhere include tissues, paper towel, disinfecting wipes, socks, and gloves.
If that seems like a long list to remember, here's an easy way to remember what you can flush. The 3 P's: pee, poop, and toilet paper.